Ever wondered why some people seem to struggle with staying focused or organized, or why they might be forgetful more often than others? It might be easy to label it as laziness or lack of discipline, but in many cases these could be signs of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. One of the most common behaviors linked to ADHD is the difficulty in sustaining attention. This isn't simply about not being able to focus. It's about struggling to stay on track with tasks or activities, often getting easily distracted and losing concentration frequently. Speaking of distractions, people with ADHD are often easily sidetracked. This could be due to external stimuli, like a sudden noise, or even internal thoughts. It's not just a matter of willpower, but a genuine challenge to maintain concentration. Organization skills can also be a challenge for those with ADHD. Organizing tasks, managing time, and even keeping track of personal belongings can be difficult. This is not due to a lack of trying, but rather the struggle to prioritize activities and manage responsibilities effectively. Forgetfulness is another common behavior. This isn't about being absent-minded, but rather it's about forgetting to complete tasks, losing items necessary for activities, or forgetting about important appointments. Tasks that require a sustained mental effort can be daunting for those with ADHD. They might avoid or procrastinate on tasks like schoolwork or paperwork, not out of laziness, but because they find it incredibly challenging to concentrate for extended periods. Following instructions, especially lengthy or complex ones, can be difficult. It's not a lack of understanding, but the struggle to follow through on the instructions that poses a challenge. Making frequent careless mistakes is another common behavior. This doesn't stem from a lack of care, but rather the challenge of paying attention to details in schoolwork, work projects, or other activities. Time management can also be a significant challenge. Estimating time and managing it effectively to meet deadlines or arrive on time can be a struggle, often leading to missed deadlines or tardiness. Maintaining focus in activities that aren't inherently stimulating or interesting can be tough. This often leads to boredom and restlessness, not because of a lack of interest, but due to the difficulty in staying engaged. Lastly, daydreaming is common among those with ADHD. It's not about being uninterested, but rather, they often appear to be lost in thought, distracted by internal fantasies or unrelated thoughts. In short, behaviors like difficulty sustaining attention, being easily distracted, poor organization skills, forgetfulness, avoidance of tasks requiring sustained mental effort, difficulty following instructions, making frequent careless mistakes, poor time management, lack of focus in activities, and daydreaming are all common in people with ADHD. These aren't due to a lack of discipline or effort, but are part and parcel of the challenges that come with ADHD. Understanding these behaviors is the first step towards fostering a more inclusive and understanding environment for those living with ADHD.